Retrospect Backup makes it easy to protect your data off-site in the cloud. Retrospect backs up the data from the computer it's on or from a different computer on the network and uploads that backup to the cloud. Let's walk through how to do a cloud backup to Google Cloud Storage. For this demo, you'll first have to set up a Google Cloud account. Once you have that set up, go to Google Cloud Storage and go to your account and you will see this. So we're first going to create a bucket. This is where Retrospect will store your backups. We will type in a name. We'll say create. We're also going to go over to settings, click interoperability, and create a key. You will use this key inside of Retrospect. Now I'm going to copy the access key and the secret key to a text file to use inside of Retrospect. And the URL. Now, Retrospect will use this URL, storage.googleapis.com/the bucket name we created, with the access key and the secret key to log in to your Google Cloud account and store your backups. Now that we have our Google Cloud Storage account set up, we're going to back up a file from our desktop to Google Cloud Storage, delete it from our desktop, and restore it. Let's start. I've modified the file. I'm going to X out of that. Now in Retrospect, we're going to do a backup. Retrospect has lots of options, but we're going to do a backup assistant. We've already created a favorite folder, desktop, so I'm going to click continue. Now we're going to create the media set, Google Cloud Storage set. I'm going to use AES 256 encryption. Now we're going to type in the path that we got from Google Cloud Storage, the access key, and the secret key. Click Start Now. You see the backup is running. So that is backed up. So we're going to delete that, and now let's restore it. We're going to restore that backup. Desktop. And there is our file. Retrospect Cloud Backup provides affordable off-site data protection. Multiple providers. Retrospect supports more than 20 different cloud storage providers located around the world for affordable, fast off-site storage. No lock-in. While other backup services lock you into their cloud, Retrospect allows you to migrate backups from one cloud to another with a simple transfer, all from within Retrospect. Zero-knowledge security. With AES 256 encryption in transit and at rest, only you can access your backups, no matter where you store them. That means Google cannot access your data. Fast upload. Retrospect can saturate any connection with multiple simultaneous backups or restores. Retrospect, a store-centric company, provides data protection for businesses, protecting over 100 petabytes across 500,000 customers for over 30 years.